voy a ir un poquito de agua. Oh, aquí está la mía.
Okay.
Con razón está la chueca.
Alright guys, welcome back to Gabriel the Plumber. And today we are going to fix this mess. We're not sure if the sewer, there's the overhead sewer, is clogged. Most likely it is. But we are going to replace this part. It looks like they did some crappy job. Put some insulation. We're going to remove this, put a clean out, and put it together with lead. Okay guys, so right now we are putting the Acon inside the pipe, inside the hub.
Listo. Ahora hay que calentarlo.
Okay guys, so this right here pretty much hogs the pipe. We got this is a PVC pipe, this is a special fitting. This is right behind it, right behind the wall. It's really hard to see. This is a cast iron pipe, and that's the hub. This is a special tool that hogs the pipe, so we can pour the lead there, and it will go everywhere around the around that pipe.
Listo.
Alright guys, so let me go ahead and show you the final results. I have 2% battery, so I gotta hurry up. Make sure you like and subscribe. We put a no hub here just to make it easier, not to put a repair coupling. We always like this much better. For some reason those no repair couplings, they leak. So that's the lead. Don't worry about this, we just left that in there. We don't want to be touching it too much. It's just the way it's set.